A 20-pounder.
20-pounder? A big old fish?
No.
What is it?
Look at this thing.
Is it a big buck?
Yeah.
My word. How many points it got?
50.
50.
Mm-hmm.
That's huge.
Oh.
That's bigger than my deer up on that wall. Bigger than that guy. Man.
Is it a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Oh.
That's a great job, Jude.
Look at this thing.
That's huge.